Hey friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about knee joint pain. Many times you must have seen the most common kind of joint pain is knee joint pain. Many times this knee joint pain is either related with age related problems, like with aging. As age advances, then knee joint becomes weaker and weaker. Sometimes also happen, especially in ladies during menopause or during menorrhagia, when there is excessive bleeding happening. In those times also there is imbalance in hormones, and because of this imbalance the proper absorption of calcium doesn't happen, the proper absorption of nutrition will not happen, and that can also impact our knee joint and can cause pain. And sometimes also this happens that genetically our knee joint is weak, and when our age advances, like when degeneration of body will start, it will impact the most weaker part very quickly, and you will feel sometimes very early symptoms of knee joint pain, even in sometimes 40s 30s also. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. When it comes to knee joint pain, we should not immediately start treatment. This is one aspect, like somebody is saying this, do this to knee joint and you are trying that. Somebody is saying this and you are trying that. Before treating any kind of knee joint pain, first we need to diagnose it, like knee joint pain is happening, but why it is happening? Whether it is happening because of rheumatoid arthritis, that is you need to go and check for RA factor in the blood and C-reactive proteins, these are the modern tests, and sometimes it is osteoarthritis. If it is not rheumatoid arthritis, then there is possibility that it is because of osteoarthritis, but that also need diagnosis from a orthopedic doctor or even medicine doctor. It is not like there is some kind of knee pain and you will start self medication in form of painkillers, in form of anti-inflammatories. So this thing is not beneficial when it comes to knee joint pain. And because some medicine is Ayurveda, that doesn't mean like it doesn't have side effect and you just anybody can take in any kind of disease. It's not like that. In Ayurveda also there is a proper diagnosis of diseases, there is a proper way of treating it, and there is a proper channel, just like Western medicine, because Ayurveda is also a science. It is not some kind of folk medicine, just randomly you are picking up anything and taking. That's very important, where many times we just not pay attention. Because in Ayurveda this joint pain can be because of Sandhi Vata and Am Vata, but these terminologies are in Sanskrit, and I think 95% of people will not understand these terminologies. That's why these terminologies are not so popular, because moreover this Ayurveda is in Sanskrit, it is not in English. So this also is a problem, but it is not like in Ayurveda just random medicines are being written. They also have proper way of diagnosing thing, proper way of treating any kind of problem. So when it comes to Ayurveda regarding knee joint pain, if it is not because of rheumatoid arthritis or gout, it is because of osteoarthritis, means it is more related with Vata disorder, because as our age advances the Vata dosha in our body tends to start increase, and all the degeneration things are related with Vata dosha. So the first thing that you need to do, if you are also have started feeling knee joint pain, then stop taking bad tea or bad coffee. That means empty stomach you should stop taking bad tea or bad coffee, because both of the things are Vata enhancing. It will enhance the dryness in the system, and as I mentioned, Vata is the main cause for your joint pains, especially if it is related to osteoarthritis. Then this is the first thing that you need to do if you want to avoid your joint pain. Next thing is, try to cut out all the sour things from your food, like pickles, excess of lemon, or citrus things. Anything that is citrus, that is not good for the health of the joint. especially if it is related with, if the joint pain is related with osteoarthritis. So, you need to reduce the citrus intake of citrus things in your diet. That will help if you go with the Ayurveda principle. Because of Vata imbalance, the citrus things becomes difficult to digest, and sometimes they can cause acidity, burning sensation kind of problems if the Vata in your body is imbalanced. Thing that you need to do while taking care of your joint, that is massage. You can use either sesame oil to massage your joint, not only joint, actually whole body massage. This will relax your whole muscles and will strengthen your all joints of the body. How to do massage, what are the benefits regarding that, I already have created many videos. You please go through my channel and watch those videos. These videos will help you. In addition to that, you please try to have always freshly cooked meal. Try to consume your meal within 1 hour of cooking. Try to have more and more organic food in your diet. Make sure your breakfast should be very nutritious. Try to have your dinners early. Try to do some yoga, pranayam, meditation. This will help to rejuvenate your body from within, and also it will keep the serotonin levels good, that means stress levels low, which will help you to heal the body from within. Anyway, as our age will advance, some kind of degeneration will happen. It is not we can totally avoid a degeneration. It will happen to nobody, like even Ayurveda doctor also will go through degeneration, everybody will go, but it is just we can delay with some certain tricks that are mentioned in Ayurveda, and we should make use of it. In addition to that, focus on the timings of the meals. Try to avoid all the Vata enhancing things from your diet, like all the canned, packed, tinned food. These are all Vata enhancing things. And try to have freshly cooked meals, because cooked meals have fire element in it, and it becomes easy to digest these kind of meals. In addition to that, include broccoli in your diet. That is also very good source of vitamin B12. In addition to that, expose your body for 10 minutes to the sun, so that your body will get the perfect vitamin D, which is very beneficial for the health of your joints. In addition to that, do exercise, yoga, and make your lifestyle quite active. This will also help you to make the body weight less, and if there will be less body weight, it will slow down the degeneration of your knee joint. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.